What's the quickest way to make a home feel more inspiring and joyful? The answer is through nature. Nature harnesses the spirit that makes people happy. So why is nature not incorporated more often into our homes? It's simply because of the lack of education and understanding of how to do it and what wonderful benefits it can bring. Only a handful of people have even heard of what I'm about to share with you today. And I'm taking this opportunity to unleash a very valuable secret. So stay tuned. Biophilic design is a design approach that emphasizes the connection between humans and nature. By incorporating natural elements into your home, you can create a space that promotes health, happiness, and well-being for both yourself and for the other people who live in and regularly visit your home. There are several ways to incorporate biophilic design into your home, and it really doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. The key is recognizing opportunities and creating strategies to incorporate natural aesthetics. Here are 5 simple ways to bring nature indoors. The first one is adding plants to your home. It's the easiest way to incorporate biophilic design. Not only do plants improve air quality, but they also provide a sense of calm and relaxation. The second one is natural light, and it's essential to our well-being, by the way. Maximize the amount of natural light in your home by opening up your blinds or curtains, or by adding skylights. The third one is natural materials. Using natural materials in your home, such as wood or stone, can help create a sense of warmth and connection to nature. You can use natural materials for furniture, flooring, or accents. Number 4, adding a water feature such as a fountain or a fish tank can create a calm atmosphere in your home. And the 5th one is incorporating art that features natural elements such as landscapes or plants can help create a stronger connection to nature. Biophilic design is all about reconnecting with nature and improving our quality of life. By incorporating these simple design elements into your home, you can create a space that nourishes your body and your soul. Remember, nature is all around us, and it's up to us to incorporate it into our lives in meaningful ways. Biophilia is not just about greening your space and bringing in a few plants and shrubs to beautify your home. It's so much more than that. It encourages us to relax, appreciate what we have, and take the time to smell the roses. If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can keep bringing you more great content. And if you're in the Palm Beach or Broward County, Florida area, and you have questions about aging in place renovations, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Stay safe and love the home you're in.